Hi, and welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice With Me for Alto Sax. I'm your teacher, Reesa, and today we're working in the Standard of Excellence Book 2. So things are a little different today. I know I'm not wearing my music clothes, and our camera might look a little different. Getting ready for a trip. Almost didn't get to fit this in, but here we are today, making sure we get that lesson in before I go for the week. All right. So today we're on page 27, and we're kind of just reviewing what we've learned over the past couple times. So let's just take a look at our exercise number 97, Blazin. Tell me about our time signature. What do we have going on? 4/4 or cut time, and they're not the same. So we'll come back to that. We'll do one as 4/4, and then we'll do it as cut time a couple times. All right, tell me about what we have in our key signature. No sharps, no flats. All right, but we can see that they are telling us to use the alternate C fingering, so if you don't remember, make sure you take a moment to look back in your book, okay? The book is also saying name the interval between the first and second notes. So why don't we take a look at that? What is the interval between C and E? Third. What about F and E? 2. What about F and G? 2. What about F and G again? No, that's 2. And then we're back to C and E. 3. F and G. 2. C and B. 2, F and G, 2. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, ready? We're gonna start in 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect, that's not too bad, right? Excellent. This time, go ahead and put in the proper articulation. You can see that some areas are tonguing, some we have ta, 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 and then others ta, ta. So just watch your tonguing now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and change this now to cut time. So how would we do that? Remember, for cut time, everything is split in half. So it's going to feel like it's either double the pace. There's a lot of people I know who still count in 4/4 for cut time. So if the conductor's 1, 2, 1, 2, in their mind they're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. I personally don't care which way you do it, whether you still count it in 4s or whether you count it in 2s. Just remember, if you count it in 2s, things are in half. So quarter notes are like eighth notes, half notes are like quarter notes, okay? So let's go ahead and give that a try. Ready? The conductor will always do it in 2, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 1, 2, play. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. You can feel how it still feels like 4/4, it just feels really fast. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. And if you're struggling with those eighth notes for cut time, just remember to take your time later, speed it up, work your way there, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent job. So yeah, just remember to take some time, practice that on your own, slow it down, then gradually speed it up. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at 98, American Patrol. All right, so first let's take a look at our time signature. What do you have going on? 2-4, so we're still counting in twos, but the quarter note gets the beat, which is nice. All right, we do have some 16th notes, so remember 1 eanda, 1 eanda, 1 eanda, 1 eanda, all fits in one beat. We do have, it looks weird. We got some things looking like they're breaking up. All right, so we're going to play to the DCL coda. Do you remember where we go when we hit that? The beginning, okay? And then we're gonna play to where it says to coda. Then we're gonna skip where it has that coda symbol, so it's line 2 right after that space, all right? And one thing we might wanna check out for on some of our rhythms is like in measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 measures after the coda. We have the 8th tied to the 16th. So if you need to write your counts in, go ahead and pause the video and do so. Other than that, I think we're ready to give this a try. All right, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. So it helps that that song might be a little familiar. That helps. So let's go ahead and try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. And don't forget about the codas. That might be throwing you off. It also might be throwing you off a little bit with that first measure of the coda. 1, 2, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Okay? It's just, it looks weird. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent job. All right, let's go ahead and move on to exercise 99, Kerry dance. Let's take a look at our key signature. What do we have going on? We have 1 sharp, F sharp. Tell me about our time signature. We're still in 2-4, so that's nice. We do have articulations happening here. Got a lot of staccatos, and then we're slurring over the 16ths. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect, and remember those are quarter notes there at the end. They feel a lot slower because we're doing 8ths and 16ths. It feels fast and it's just slow. But I know you can do it, and this one's not too bad. Hopefully it's not for you. If it is, just remember to take time, slow it down, gradually speed it up. And if the staccatos are throwing you off, a good way to start is without the staccatos. All right, but I feel like the staccatos help drive it forward. So let's go ahead and do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Let's go ahead and do it one more time for good luck. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to the next exercise, number 100. I say this title is Gavotte, but our cello player, he just did this exercise. Well, not this particular exercise. He did like the full piece, and he said Gavotte. So he's probably right. I'm not very good with my pronunciations at all. So either way, I do enjoy this piece. Let's take a look at our key signature. What do we have going on? We have F sharp and C sharp. Tell me about our time signature. Back to 4/4. Nice. All right, let's take a look at some of our rhythms. We do have the 8th note going into the 16th, to 8th notes to 16ths. Okay, so we really have to watch our rhythms. If you ever need to write your rhythms in, never be ashamed to do so. So if you need to write your counts, then please pause the video and write them in. Okay, we do have a repeat there at the end of the first line. Where does that take us to? The beginning. Okay, and then on line 2, we do have a repeat 2. Where does that one go to? The beginning of line 2. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, let's go ahead and use the metronome on this one. We're going to do it slow, so let's do this at 70. 2, 3, 4. Perfect. It really does help tremendously to use the metronome. So when you're on your own, I highly, highly, highly recommend practicing with the metronome. It helps tremendously. Let's do this one more time. Let's speed it up though. Let's meet somewhere in the middle. Let's do 77. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. So yeah, that's kind of a tricky piece. So make sure you take some time to work on it, slow it down, use your metronome, gradually speed that one up. You're gonna wanna work on that one. All right, so there is extra practice on page 41, so let's head over to 41. 41, let's see, 100. All right, so these ones look a little easier. We are gonna watch our articulation. We have 1 sharp, F sharp, and we're in common time. So let's go ahead and just give these a play. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent Excellent job. So in this exercise, do you know why we even have this exercise? What's the importance of it? This exercise is listening for cleanliness between our fingerings, okay? With just these intervals, there's a lot happening with our fingers, so we're just making sure that our fingers are together and that our embouchure moves appropriately. All right, let's go ahead and do that again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Let's do it one more time. Really listening for the cleanliness of your playing. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's head back to our page 24 and hit that last exercise of the day, 101 for alto saxophones only. Okay, this one's mainly slurred as well, so you're gonna wanna make sure that what we do is clean. Let's take a look at our key signature. What do we have going on? 1 flat, B flat, all right? Tell me about our time signature. Still in common time. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. So if you struggled with your notes there or just need to kind of take it note by note, do so and then speed it up and come back with us. All right, but for now we're going to speed it up because it is allegro. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Now, a lot of these exercises we had before kind of prepped us on this one because there's a pattern in most of this area. All right, let's go ahead and do it one more time. Let's speed it up even more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know down below. While you're down there, don't forget to hit like, notify, and subscribe. And if you want, this is still in the course format. It'll be that way for pretty much ever now. So if you want this in course format, you can get it for free down in the description. Thanks for joining, and until next time.